I have never purchased Bitcoin this quickly.
This video is sponsored by Bitkey.
I know you've been waiting for my new crypto-related videos, and I am back with what I think is an exciting review of the Bitkey hardware wallet. According to the internet, Bitkey is a great option for the average person to store their Bitcoin. It's easy to use, and everyone, including your child or your grandfather, can use it. If you are new to crypto wallets, this could be your go-to wallet. If you have some experience, you might still appreciate this wallet's simplicity. And this is something that people share online. It looks like a lot of people appreciate the minimalism, the simplicity of Bitkey, but I am going to test it all myself, which is why I have this device in my hand. By the way, I forgot to mention, Bitkey was created by Twitter founder Jack Dorsey, an experienced entrepreneur who knows how to make competitive products. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Without further ado, let's get rolling. Okay, so what do we know about the Bitkey wallet? The Bitkey wallet falls into the category of premium hardware wallets. It does have a premium feel. The cover has a stone-like appearance, not actual stone, but it does feel a lot like one. It does feel like stone. If we take a look at the back, it looks gold, very premium look. I like the biometric access feature. We're going to test it. This wallet is indeed premium and it costs $150. This hardware wallet is equipped with 3 keys: mobile key, hardware key, and server key. So if you have access to at least 2 of the 3 keys, you are able to recover your funds. So you can always recover your funds if you, let's say, lose your phone, or if you lose your hardware key, hardware device, you can still recover your cryptocurrency, your Bitcoin, if you have access to your server key and your mobile device. So you need to have at least 2 out of 3 keys to be able to unlock your Bitcoin. But even if you lose your phone and your hardware, you can still recover your funds. You can set up your trusted contacts, let's say your mother or your spouse. Alright, let's begin with step 1. Activate and pair your hardware device
with the Bitkey app by holding your hardware device. So
I am going to download the Bitkey app. Alright, so I'm going to click on install. Alright, so this is what the app looks like. I'm going to click on set up a new wallet. Wake your Bitkey device until you see a white light. Alright, I see the white light. Pair your Bitkey device.
So to activate your phone's NFC reader with the button below, hold your Bitkey to the back of your phone. Alright.
Success. Cool. Set up your first fingerprint. Place your finger on the sensor until you see a blue light. Lift your finger and repeat 15-20 times. Alright, let's see.
Boom, 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 boom. Alright, green light, green light.
I'm going to click on Save Fingerprint. Hold device here behind phone. Connected. Success. Creating account. My account is being created. So far, the instructions are easy to understand. I think everyone will be able to get it quickly. Back up to Google Drive. I love the fact that I can just store everything on Google Drive. If you don't have a Google Drive, you should probably create one. Continue. Sign into Bitkey. Bitkey wants access to your Google account. Okay, continue. Now I'm saving backup. Now I will begin setting up my communication channels, recovery communication channels, and that's one of the steps. All you have to do is to simply follow the instructions. There is nothing complicated. You download the app and you go step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, you're all done. Which is why I'm saying even 5-year-olds, I mean maybe not 5-year-olds, but 10-year-olds can certainly do it. I'm going to enter my email address. Click continue. I am receiving a verification code in my inbox. Now my account is verified and I tied my email address to my wallet. Okay, so I will allow this device to send push notifications to me. You can learn more about wallet recovery by clicking on this link and it will direct you to the source where everything is explained, how to recover your wallet. I'm going to agree to Bitkey's terms of service and privacy notice and click continue. Welcome to Bitkey. It's all set. It's extremely easy. Purchase new Bitcoin with local currency. Let's see. Cash App. What if we use Cash App? A lot of people have Cash App. Most people know what Cash App is. Alright, so there are several options. Select the transfer speed. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to pick priority. It looks clear to me. Let's click on buy and transfer. Your blockchain transfer is on its way to Bitkey. I'm going to click on open Bitkey. Your Cash App transfer is on its way to Bitkey. Guys, I have $25 on my account, and it's simply because I paid a lot in fees. I wanted to complete this tutorial quickly, but I have never purchased Bitcoin this quickly. Outside the exterior presentation, which is awesome, sleek, minimalist, the Bitkey wallet is incredibly easy to use, making it a great option for beginners and even kids who are just getting started with Bitcoin. With features like multi-sig, security, and a fingertip sensor for added protection, it combines robust security with user-friendly operation. I am going to continue using this device, and I will create another video covering more information related to this wallet. I will definitely be back talking more about the wallet and my overall experience using the Bitkey hard wallet. But for now, I'm done. If you want me to cover something specific, please leave your comments in the comment section. I'll be back with my second video covering the Bitkey wallet, but I'm done for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KB out.